Hello YouTube and fellow radio hams. This is just a quick video. This one's especially dedicated to John, M0JMP, but should be relevant to anybody who is interested in setting up their md380 or similar radio to connect to through the DMR network to the HubNet Allstar hub via the DMR link bridge, or gateway should I say. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to create a contact, we're going to create a channel, we're going to add the contact to the channel, and then add the channel to the zone, and then upload it to the radio, and then you should be able to PTT, push to talk, activate that particular talk group, and that should make the connection through the gateway. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is read from the radio. Well, I've already done that. I've plugged the radio into the computer and downloaded the configuration here. And then the next thing we need to do is, looking on the left-hand side here, is go to our digital contacts. And just go down to the bottom here and add one. And you see it gives an option to give the contact a name. There are many ways of doing this. In this example here, we're using a code plug which was put together by 2E0XVX, and he's given them names. I prefer to give them the talk group number, so when you're looking through the channels you know what they are. So if in this example I'm going to put TG 23525, that's the name, that's what it will appear as in the list. The type of call is a group call, and the ID number is 23525, and then just hit enter on that. Okay, so we've now created a contact. The contact name is TG23525, it's a group call, and the ID number is the group ID, which is 23525. Okay, so we can close that now, and then we'll go to our channels here. So we just go to the top of this list here, channel information, and then we're going to right click on here and add. When you add it, it adds it down the bottom here, so you need to scroll down the bottom, and you see we've got this channel 1 here. So we'll give it a channel name. It's going to be called a HubNet. Okay, and the RX frequency, this will be the frequency that your hotspot is on. So in this example we'll use 438.6. Yours may be different, of course. 438.6. You'll know what that is. Okay, the channel mode is digital, 12.5, scan list none, squelch none of that's relevant. Transmit timeout time, we'll set that to a couple of minutes, 3 minutes there. TX power low. Now here's the key thing over here, this side. We'll set the contact name, we'll browse through the list here, and then we'll find TG that we just created. It's in here somewhere. Here we go, TG 23525, group list none. I really don't recommend you ever use these. It will lead you to nothing but hassle. Color code, well, that needs to be the same as your open spot, but for this we'll leave it as 1. Repeater slot 1. Privacy none. Okay, well that's pretty much all set there. All these checkboxes should be unchecked. Close that, and now finally we need to add the channel into a zone. Okay, so we'll use one of the zones that's already set up. Let's have a look at what we got here. England 1. You can only have 16 channels in a zone. That is a limitation of the TYT and similar type radios. And if we look through the channels, we'll find we've got one called HubNet. It's at the bottom of the list, and then we'll just click add. Okay, well, it's not going to let me add it because there's already 16 in here. So in theory you would add another zone. What we'll do is we'll take out these island ones because I'd never use those, and then HubNet, stick that in there. Okay, so we've now created a contact, created a channel, put the contact in the channel, put the channel in the zone. Next thing to do is upload it to the radio, turn the radio on, and then switch to that zone, and it should and you should PTT momentarily on that channel. It will then switch your hotspot to that talk group, and you'll be able to hear what's going on and join in and all the fun on the HubNet. I hope that helps.